Here's my outfit for today. It's bright pink or hot pink or fuchsia against the blue skirt and a black hat, just to break the brightness, and a brown bag. Yeah, and of course more brightness matched with my rattan bright yellow earrings. Yeah, it's a bright sunny day again today, so why not match it with bright OOTD as well. So here's my OOTD for today. Last Sunday the 4th, we went to Waterford Suir Valley Railway in Kilmeadan, County Waterford. It's a heritage narrow gauge railway, follows the 10-kilometer of the abandoned Waterford-Dungarvan railway line from the station at Kilmeadan, Waterford, to Bilberry in Waterford City, running beside the Waterford Greenway. It is a 15-minute drive from where we are. Daniel is really interested with anything about trains, subways, all those things. That's why I thought it's a beautiful day, so why not take him to somewhere where he can really see them in person and ride on them and see what it's like and experience it himself. So yeah, we decided to go there, and it was a beautiful day. As you can see, the sky is so blue and so clear. It was sunny, so everything looked so bright. The color was like 10 times much nicer than what they usually are during normal days here in Ireland. So yeah, it was sunny, but just enough, not too hot. The temperature was 21 degrees, so it was perfect. Right, get there already. That's the map. That's the whole Waterford Dungarvan line, but we're only taking 45 minutes travel back and forth. We're here now, George. Daniel. Oh, look. So this is the railway. Oh, wow. Are you excited? Are you excited? Look, there's a pig. Not yet, Daniel. We're gonna have something first to eat. Yeah. You wanna eat something? You feeling okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Ice cream, okay. Oh, look.
Yeah, the first one.
No, you're in Waterford.
Yeah.
Being close in the front.
Super, thanks.
Okay.
It is, but there's not really up there.
Go. Walk. We're sitting there in front, right?
Where's the front one?
Here. Oh, this is really cool. Well done.
Yeah, I thought this might be a better one for kids, so.
Yeah.
Just Daniel likes to see.
The engine.
Yeah. That's why I bought the front one. Did that one.
For VIP. So we sat down in front of the train, so we're able to get a good view of the place we're passing, and also for Daniel to see the engine and everything. But it was so loud, and he was finding it a little overwhelming that he was covering his ears. There you go. Look at him. But George thought it was funny. As always. He's finding everything funny. Here we go. As you can see, it's a really beautiful day. Really bright. It's such a beautiful place here when it's summer because suddenly everything is so bright and the sky is so clear and blue. Because usually it's always gray. I was really overwhelmed and I'm loving it so much. It's really calming and relaxing. Oh, I just can't get over it. Look at that. Look how beautiful the view is. So as you can see, my camera is on landscape mode to capture the whole view so that we'll be able to see what it's like being there. The blue sky against the green luscious trees and bushes. It's just beautiful. I was overwhelmed by the beauty of the nature. I love nature. For those who know me, I'm obsessed with nature. It's just making me happy. I don't know for some people, but for me, it's everything. For me, it's everything. Yeah, it makes me happy. So yeah, I love spring and summer because of all the colors around, and it's just giving me such a beautiful feeling. That's me. So I'll give you a little history of the train. But before that, hello George, how are you feeling? Are you enjoying it? High five! My little boy. Oh, I got thirsty. I didn't like it. Oh, hello Papa Marky. Now let me share with you a brief history background of Waterford and Garvan railway line. Towards the end of the 19th century, rural Ireland was crisscrossed by a matrix of local railway networks and branch lines. The railway was a major instrument in transforming the economy and society in 19th century Ireland. The railway was opened in 1878 and continued to operate until 1987, when the last train was seen on the Waterford-Dungarvan line. But it's been beautifully restored, and in 2003 it was opened again to preserve and promote the rich railway heritage, where the tourists and the locals will experience traveling through the railway line and discover its history while enjoying the panoramic view of the Waterford Greenway. You have to wait to open it, George.
Good. You liked it? Very good.
Careful, George. Yay! Now my ears can rest. It was loud. Did you have fun, George? George, did you like it? Let's take a look at this. Oh, the history. Where are we going now? So that's the one we took, right? And we're done for today. Here. Next, we're going to the market. You like it here, Daniel? Did you like it? It was fun, wasn't it? But it was really loud. What is it? Want this one? Daniel, do you want to have some cheesecake? And that was it. It was such a fun adventure. So for those who haven't been there, if you're in Ireland, you can maybe try and experience what we have experienced. And that's it for now. Goodbye. Thank you.